Hello and welcome to VLAN. This is session 14 of Marketing of Services Product Support System. Topics to be covered: Introduction, Characteristics of Product Support Service, Classification of Product Support Service, Goal of Product Support Service, Customer Satisfaction. Introduction. In this session, yes, we will going to discuss about what kind of the product support service is basically provided with the tangible products, like yes, as I mentioned, like after sale services. सर्विसेज के अंदर एक आफ्टर सेल सर्विसेज अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, बिकॉज nowadays because of the competition, or we can say the intensity of very high competition, every company is offering the after sale services to the customer, just to bringing out the extra benefit, or just to bringing out the positive benefit to the customer, or through this only the company able to generate the loyalty of the customers also. So in that terms, yes, it is what the customer services is philosophy in which all the employees feel and act accountable for creating the satisfied customer. When a person joins a company as an employee, in that case, company has to generate that kind of a training. They have to make that kind of a directions to their employees that they were serving to the customers. They were accountable to the customer. So this is the basically customer service is. Customer service आपके employees को एक feel करवाती है, उन्हें एक accountable बनाती है towards the satisfied customer. In that terms, yes, value-added customer services is basically responsible for all the employees of the organization. So just to bringing out the value-added services, all customers are basically responsible for that. Accountability is again a very vital customer service in a successful service oriented organization, and everyone is accountable for the customer satisfaction. That means everyone is accountable for that customer satisfaction, and everyone is looking towards the customer services, which is more towards the service orientation organization. So in that case, yes, the product support service is basically providing the value added. अगर हम product support service की बात कर रहे हैं तो वो basically इसी केस में होता है कि आप किस तरीके की value added provide करवा सकते हैं अपने customers को, और आप किस तरीके से अपने expected customers को अपने पास लेकर आ सकते हैं just through with this value added service. It is basically, so in that case, yes, it is also necessary to understand that what customers value in the product support system, किस तरीके की value customer support कर रहे हैं product services को, and they can group the quality, availability, knowledge of the people with whom they will actually work, and ease of doing the business, support service performance of product, and follow through by the people with whom they deals with the price. So in that term, yes, this is what many of a time companies have a philosophy of a properly served. बहुत सारी जब सर्विसेज इतनी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हैं तो कंपनीज बेसिकली फॉलोज दैट कि किस तरीके से प्रॉपर सर्विसिंग प्रोवाइड करवानी चाहिए कस्टमर्स को, एंड दे हैव अ प्रॉपर फिलोसफीज फॉर दैट. First is identify the customer service needs requirement. That means just to understand what kind of a customer service need they have. At the same time, develop the appropriate product service to meet those needs. आप किस तरीके से उन needs को बेस्ट तरीके से रीच आउट कर सकते हो, क्या strategies बना सकते हो उस उन्हें अडॉप्ट करने के लिए. At the same time, what kind of objectives you have. Apart from that, yes, match the products to meet with the appropriate price, channels of deliveries, presentation and communication to the customers. In terms of, it is to identify the exact price कि आप किस तरीके की प्राइसिंग में है, किस तरीके से प्रोडक्ट आपका सर्व करेगा नीड्स को, क्या आप डिलीवर कर रहे हो, what kind of presentation communication to the customer you have. Apart from that, yes, development and maintain a continuous service process of the target customers. In terms of what kind of a continuous service process you have, how you develop it, how you actually maintain it. So these kind of parameters always a company have to bringing out the proper providing service, proper service. Then what are the characteristics of a product support system? एक product support system के क्या characteristics होते हैं? Performing well in the service delivered require a modern marketer to understand. एक क्या चीज़ उन्हें समझनी पड़ती है सबसे पहले, व्हाट एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन कस्टमर एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, किस तरीके का एक्शन और किस तरीके का रिएक्शन जो है वो रिक्वायर्ड है, सबसे पहले ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. सेकेंड इज ग्रुपिंग ऑफ दीज एक्शंस इनटू द कोर एंड सपोर्ट सर्विस एलिमेंट. इट वाज टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट what kind of an action, what kind of an core part, what kind of an support service element they were basically offering. Apart from that, evaluate how well the organization is performing on each one. किस तरीके से कंपनी जो है वो एक्चुअली परफॉर्म कर रही है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर. Another is redesigning existing service package in order to offer the customer in each target market segment. किस तरीके से आप different modifications या different changes लेकर आ सकते हो अपने उसी same targeted market segments के अंदर while offering and delivering the systems. So in that case, yes, according to the level, the total product concept consists of the core or a generic product, the inner brand soundings the core of the item expected product and representing the customer minimal expectation. किसी भी तरीके की आफ्टर सेल सर्विसेज की कॉन्सेप्ट को जनरेट करने के लिए सबसे पहले जानना ये ज़रूरी होता है व्हाट काइंड ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सर्विसेज यू एक्चुअली ऑफरिंग. आपका कोर प्रोडक्ट क्या है, आपका एक्सपेक्टेड प्रोडक्ट क्या है. सो उस केस में एक्सपेक्टेड प्रोडक्ट से ही आप एक वैल्यू ऐड दे पाते हो कस्टमर्स को. सो द एरिया एनसाइक्लिंग द आउटर मोस्ट कंसर्निंग ब्रांड इज द पोटेंशियल प्रोडक्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हेन द टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स में जब हम लोग ऑग्यूमेंटेड प्रोडक्ट्स में पहुंचते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट द काइंड ऑफ एन पोटेंशियल प्रोडक्ट विच द कस्टमर इज लुकिंग एंड दैट पोटेंशियल प्रोडक्ट विच विल एक्चुअली लीड टुवर्ड्स द अट्रैक्टिंग द कस्टमर. In that case, yes, this is the diagram which is classifying the product support service कि किस तरीके से product support service को classify किया जा सकता है. जिसमें सबसे पहले डिफाइन किया गया है इंफॉर्मेशन को. दैट मीन्स थ्रू इंफॉर्मेशन, यानी कि न्यू कस्टमर्स एंड प्रोस्पेक्ट नीड इंफॉर्मेशन टू मेक द डिसीजंस अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट के बारे में उन्हें कुछ ना कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. दैट इंफॉर्मेशन ओनली लीड देम टू बाय द पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. That means they want to know what product will be best meet their need. कौन सा product उनकी need को सबसे ज़्यादा satisfy करेगा. So in that case, the existing customer also need the information regarding the usage and maintenance of the product during the life of product. So in that case, the prospect is on the line buying also need information that will guide them to move the site that will provide information to them. Another is the consultation. Consultation is all about that providing the information, suggest a simple response to the consumer questions. In terms of consulting involves the dialogues to probe the customer's requirement and then develop a tailored solutions. We can say that कि how you were consulting them, how you were actually providing advice. अगर आपको अपने प्रोडक्ट को सपोर्ट करना है तो जहां आप उन्हें एक इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हो वहीं पर आप उन्हें कंसल्टिंग यानी कि एडवाइस दे सकते हो, काउंसलिंग दे सकते हो, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को, कस्टमर्स की प्रॉब्लम को अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हो. दैट्स कम्स इनटू द consultation. Another is order. Ordering is more towards the order taking. That means once the selling process is over, the acceptance of application order reservations are the component of the order taking. That means how you were actually getting the order. Another is hospitality. Hospitality is welcoming, pleasing the customers, well managed, well treat with your guest or your customer. That comes into the hospitality. In terms of आपने waiting facilities दी है, एक launch दिया है, sitting facilities है, magazines है, entertainment, newspapers है, so that security है, that comes into the hospitality. Apart from that, the safekeeping in terms of providing them safety about their luggage, about their baggage, about their valuable things. Yes, at the same time, it is just to giving them an assistance to their customers. आप अपने customers को benefit provide करवा रहे हो. Another is expectation. Expectation is what to trying to fulfill the expectations. It is what giving them the special requisites, giving them the special features, giving them the special technique of their problem solving, providing them the proper suggestions, or we can say that understand their aspect. किसी आप expectation is what try to understand what consumer, what kind of a consumer or we can say that what kind of an expectation the consumer have about your product, have about your company. जिस तरीके की expectations है, try to give them a better service and better expectations to the consumer. Apart from them, another is billing. Billing is what the almost unless the service is provided free, but at the same time billing should be done on the timely basis. This is the main concept in the billing कि वो timely basis पर होना चाहिए. Another is payment. Payment is where a bill required a customer to take the action on the payment, either on the personal basis. So in that terms, to bringing out कि वो किस तरीके से payment करेगा. It could be by the credit facility, it could be with the help of a bank, it could be help with the debit card, it could be kind of a transferring, could be by token. किस तरीके से उसकी billing की करवाई जाएगी. So these are the basically a classifications of a product support service. अगर हमें product support service बनानी है तो हम किस तरीके से बना सकते हैं, ये 8 तरीके हैं जिसके थ्रू हम लोग product support service दे सकते हैं. Next is goal of a product support service, customer satisfaction. That is the goal. That means कि एक ultimately product support service का goal क्या होता है? Customer satisfaction. So customer satisfaction occurs when the performance meet the customer expectation. That is one of the very obvious thing कि जब आप अपने customer की expectations को fulfill कर देते हो, जब आप अपने customer की expectations को अच्छे से समझ सकते हो, तभी आप उन्हें एक satisfaction level तक लेकर जाएंगे. That is why your performance must reach to the customer expectation in the competitive environment with the very frequent need product introduction. Merely meeting expectations may not be sufficient. Organization that challenge themselves to exceed rather than meet the expectations are more likely to prevailing supervise their customers, cement the loyalties and invest in the developing new product and processing that enhance the customer's value. In terms of there was is what कि आपको अगर कस्टमर्स की एक्सपेक्टेशंस तक रीच आउट करना है देन यू हैव टू चैलेंज देमसेल्फ टू ब्रिंगिंग आउट टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर नीड्स. एन नंबर्स ऑफ कस्टमर्स होने पर हर एक कस्टमर की इंडिविजुअल नीड्स को समझना या एक वन नीड या एक कॉमन नीड को एनालाइज कर पाना अपने आप में एक डिफिकल्ट टास्क होता है. सो इन दैट केस इस कंपैटिटिव सिनेरियोज में जहां पर आपके कंपटीटर भी उनकी नीड्स को अंडरस्टैंड कर रहे हैं, सो उस केस के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा एक डिफिकल्ट सिनेरियो हो जाता है कि उनकी एक डिफरेंट नीड को आइडेंटिफाई करके उन्हें सर्व कर पाना. But yes, at the same time, if the company is able to generate that much of the new concept and that much of the new product that would lead to the proper enhancement of the company, that would lead towards the customer's value. जहाँ पर एक company की customer value generate हो जाती है, वहाँ पर automatically company leads towards the good profitability. The quality is again the concept which is related to the attitude of the customer and the comprehensive evaluations of the product support service. So that comes into the quality concept कि quality भी एक scenario हो सकता है जिसके through आप अपने customer को satisfy कर सकते हो. It basically build up for the series of evaluation experiences of the service delivery of the organization to the customer. And yes, the quality of a product services can only be assessed by the after sale services is consumed. It is what to defining about कि आप किस तरीके की experiences deliver कर रहे हो, आप किस तरीके की quality उनको serve कर रहे हो. This experience, this quality would further lead them to provide the proper delivery of a services. In that case, yes, there are the four key factors जिसके थ्रू हम लोग एक अपने कस्टमर्स को सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हैं. और वो 4 की फैक्टर्स कौन से हैं? फर्स्ट इज अ वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, वी ऑल नो, जहाँ पर आपकी जो कस्टमर्स होते हैं वो न्यू कस्टमर्स को इनकरेज करते हैं टू बाय अ प्रोडक्ट. पर्सनल नीड एंड प्रेफरेंसेस, दैट मीन्स टू अंडरस्टैंड द कस्टमर नीड्स एंड प्रेफरेंसेस. Another is past experience, when you actually generate that much of experience for your employees which lead towards the further or a future purchase. Another is external communication, that means taking the help of the external factors. So yes, there are few questions which you have to do it yourself. First is describe the concept of product support system, and another is what are the various kind of a product support system services are there. So yes, this is all about for the today's session. We will winding up here. Thank you so much. Happy learning. We learn.